Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can report a missing package on Amazon Shopping. So once you try to order from Amazon, sometimes you order multiple products and these products you add them to your cart, for example. So for example, I'm gonna order this PC I'm gonna need for it like a laptop. So I'm gonna, not a laptop, a monitor, and I would need, for example, a cable, I don't know, some iPad, whatever, and the protector screen for iPad, and I will have like a package of four different items. Now, let's say that, for example, these four items has been the package of the four items has been delivered, but once you actually opened it, you find that you don't have the cable. So what to do in that case? Well, you need to report it. So what to do? Confirm first the shipping address in your orders. Verify your first shipping address in your orders is correct for more information on how to handle it. Then search for notice of delivery attempt. Check for the message center. And if there was nothing, then check around the delivery location. Check your delivery instruction in your address. The package could have been left where you requested it. And ask your household members and neighbors if someone else accepted the delivery or took it from you. Then wait 48 hours before for the package to be delivered. And then once this is happened, if your order is shipped and sold by a third-party seller, you need to contact Amazon. So you need to contact one of the Amazon support team. Next to each item or each order you will have contact support for help. So make sure to contact the support, give them all the evidence needed, and they will reach you back and find every option available for you so they can solve this issue as fast as possible, as convenient as possible. Maybe they will give you a full refund, maybe they will give you Amazon sold, depending on the item and the situation. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.